Hey everybody, today we're creating content for our client's infotainment system that we usually do at my day job. And today we're going to use the Sony ZV-E1, the DJI Air 3S, the DJI Mini, RS4 Mini, and also my motorized slider TopRig S60. So if you want to see all of this gear in use, just stick around and enjoy this video. Let's just start here setting up my camera backpack. I love this backpack just because it can swallow a huge amount of gear. Maybe I can fit all of these things in there without bringing this bag for the drone. So the RS4 Mini, it's not that mini actually. The RS3 Mini is much smaller, but the RS4 Mini, it's still light. It's a light gimbal, which is nice. So here's a strap for the gimbal. Whoops. Oh, come on. Stop dropping things. Here are the included ND filter. Maybe we're gonna need it. Yeah, it's a bright sunny day today here in Sweden, so we're bringing the ND filters. Maybe I will just do like this. So now we can skip the drone bag and just have everything packed inside this backpack. All right, so here is our kit for today. And probably we're gonna have to bring a couple of batteries for the drone, maybe. Cool. All right. Okay, let's just think twice here before we leave. We have everything. We have our stand, we have our batteries, our camera, our drone, gaff tape. I don't need that. I have my Mojo. Okay, let's go. Today we are going out to a place called Swedala, or in Swedish, Svedala. Isn't that a perfect name for a small Swedish town? Swedala? Swedala. So here we are at the first stop. This is the sculpture we're gonna film today here. So the first I'm gonna do is just walk around and get a feel for the angles and come up with a plan what I want to do with the drone and the slider and the gimbal. Usually when I film with the slider, I want to get really close to details, but this sculpture really don't have any details. So I am wondering what I'm gonna do with the slider. I think we can get a cool shot flying over these treetops. So I'm gonna start with the gimbal and get all those mid shots where I need to move the camera a little bit more than the slider. I need to clean my car, man. So the reason I upgraded to the RS4 Mini is because of the auto locking feature. It's such a lifesaver. All right, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna get those mid shots here and then a couple of wide shots also. So let's get something going here. Let's walk slowly, get a little parallax like this. Let's get a couple of wide shots. Trying to find where this sculpture is most free from other objects in the background. So if you can see here, I have the sculpture just in between those two trees. I'm gonna skip the slider and go straight to the drone, just because there's really no details, like I said before, on the sculpture. So I think I got everything I can get from the gimbal. Here's a little strip I printed with BEM Labs using TPU. I'm telling you, 3D printing is a filmmaker's best friend. Maybe we can do a top-down shot. Let's try that. Yeah, that can be pretty cool. Just do one of those twisty motions. A little bit of a challenge setting focus here, since the statue is red and my peaking is red. We're using the 3x zoom here. Nice little sideways movement here. This 3x zoom is so cool. I just love having the possibility to get a shot like this. I like shooting from this side because I got the sun working for me. But maybe we can try close-ups with the drone. So let's just go down here. We can make a dolly, not a dolly, but a crane type of shot. see how stable we can get this. So maybe if we point it straight down in the distance here, so we can get a lot of parallax. Yeah, we're getting a lot of wind. So let's try this. Okay, I think we're done here. Okay, one down, one more to go when it comes to the statues. So we're going to another statue. It's a woman with a carriage. Carriage? Child carriage? What do you call them? So here is our next statue. This is going to be much easier to film. We have a lot of details here that we can use our slider with. So we're going to start with the gimbal. Here's a pretty nice shot. Let's just do a little walkabout. Don't be hasty now. Nice. That's a cool wide shot. Let's try one from this side, so we have an alternative. I can see my shadow. Fuck. I'm gonna try 50mm here. I think that's a nice shot. To be very light on my feet here. I like this shot with the sun shining like a backlight here. Get so much depth by doing this. And we got a free extra riding a bike. How many trucks do you need to clean? I guess 3. Here's an example how the gimbal's not fit for this type of shot. You see it's all wobbly. So here I'm gonna bring my slider. Okay, it's sliding time. This smoothness is very satisfactory. Let's see what else we can get here from this angle. Yeah, maybe her hand. We're done with second statue. Now we're going to eat somewhere, having some lunch, and relax a little bit. Of course, on my third stop today, I forgot to record behind the scenes. I was right down there in the alley visiting Svedola Library. I'll just show you the finished material from that shoot. I had a couple of kids working as extras and had to deal with them, so my mind was all focused on directing these kids. So it was a good day today. I'm good. It's Friday. Let's go home, celebrate the weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.